Hello dear students, very good evening to everybody. Let us see in continuation of the part reactions of carbonyl compound. Reaction of carbonyl compound. So that is what reactions of aldehyde and ketones. Reactions of aldehydes and ketones. In the part of the continuation of the reactions, here the next reactions, reaction with magnesium metal, Mg metal, followed by dilute hydrochloric acid. So the reactions of here, reactions with magnesium metal, Mg metal with and Mg and dilute hydrochloric acid. So that is the reaction. If we are taking, this is the carbonyl compound RC double bond OR. It is taking, this is the 2 moles of carbonyl compound, 2 moles. It is reacted with the magnesium metal, Mg metal, followed by dilute hydrochloric acid, HCl hydrochloric acid hydrolysis in dilute hydrochloric acid. So the reaction of the part of the reaction, formation of what? Here the preparation of diol. Preparation of what? The diol. So that is the diol is formation. This is the reactant molecule and this one is the product molecule. So what about reactant to the product? This is the carbonyl compound to the diol. Here we will discuss the part of this is the reactions of aldehyde and ketone. Here we can take, this is the starting reactant molecule is what? Carbonyl compound, that is acetone. If we are having this is the acetone, the reaction, particular reaction is that CH3 C double bond O CH3 2 mole of carbonyl compound. Here is what? 2 mole of carbonyl compound. This is what you can take, this is the acetone and acetone. It is reacted with the magnesium metal. You can take this one, reacted with the magnesium metal. So the reaction is what? You can take, this is the Mg is here. तो ये Mg मैं यहाँ पे लिखता हूँ, चलेगा? Okay. So what happen? This Mg is treated with this is the magnesium. This is the carbonyl compound. This oxygen having the more electronegative atoms, and this magnesium having this is the delta positive charge. This is the it is having the delta positive, and this one is the delta negative. This more electronegative atoms is reacting. This is the magnesium metal. This is the electropositive. This one is electronegative. So of course, here the formation of the types of the this is the reaction is takes place. Whatever this carbon bond is joined. So what happen here? The part of the intermediate is takes place. What is the part? This is what? C double bond O. This is nothing but what? I'm writing this is the bond is formed between the carbon atom. Here CH3. So that is nothing but what? CH3 atom. This one is oxygen, and this one is a magnesium metal. Here is a bond. Or intermediate, this we can say this is the 5-member transition state. We can say this is a 5-member transition state is formed. 5-member transition state is obtained by addition of the magnesium with 2 moles of the carbonyl compound. So last step whatever, this hydrolysis, you can take addition of dilute hydrochloric acid. You can say this is the hydrolysis in acidic condition. So whatever, the hydrolysis in acidic condition, formation of what? This is the hydrolysis takes place. This is what MgOH. This is what formation of the types of the product is nothing but OH here and OH is here. This formation of diol, which types of the diol? This diol is nothing but what? Vicinal diol. The types of the product is obtained vicinal diol. Formation of vicinal diol starting from carbonyl compound, for this is nothing but what? Acetone or ketone or acetone or ketone or dimethyl ketone. This product is formation of diol. So this is nothing but oxygen. This is addition of magnesium metal followed by hydrolysis or addition of dilute hydrochloric acid, formation of diol. जर या डायोल सोबत आपण अशी रिएक्शन जर केली, कशी? इफ यू हॅव दिस डायोल दिस डायोल इज ट्रीटेड विद H+. अब इसको हमने कभी एसिड के साथ रिएक्शन किया या डायोल आपण काय केलं एसिड सोबत जर ट्रीट केलं तर फॉर्मेशन काय प्रोडक्ट भेटतो आपल्याला दिस टाइप्स ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट इज ऑब्टेन्ड 1 2 3 3 plus 3 6 carbon atom. So that is what 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. This is formation of ketone. This is formation of ketone. It is nothing but what a carbonyl compound. Formation of ketone. Formation of ketone. It is the carbonyl product is formed starting from diol. Starting from what a diol. So such types of the reaction. Diol is converted into carbonyl compound in the presence of acidic condition. या रिएक्शन ला काय म्हणतात ओल पासून काय झाला ओल झाला तर या रिएक्शन ला आपण इथं फिनायकोल रिअरेंजमेंट या रिएक्शन ला काय म्हणतात PPR. So this is the formation of phenol rearrangement. But what कौन से यहां से ये इसकी बात कर रहा हूं मैं इस रिएक्शन को कहते हैं फिनाइकोल. लेकिन हमारा पार्ट क्या है रिएक्शन ऑफ व्हाट रिएक्शन ऑफ कार्बोनिल कंपाउंड. मतलब इसके साथ हम मैग्नीशियम का रिएक्शन कर रहे हैं है ना. हमारा एम क्या है रिएक्शन ऑफ कार्बोनिल कंपाउंड विथ मैग्नीशियम मेटल. ये हमारा यहाँ पे आज का पार्ट रिएक्शन का पार्ट ये है कि कार्बोनिल कंपाउंड से कीटोन से मैग्नीशियम के साथ डाइल्यूट हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड ऐड करने के बाद फिनाइकोल फॉर्मेशन होता है. क्या फॉर्मेशन होता है फिनाइकोल फॉर्मेशन होता है. परंतु आपण त्याच्या थोडं समोर जर गेलं त्याच्या नेक्स्टला जर आपण गेलो जर याच्यासोबत जर ऍसिड यूज केला है ना फिनाइकोल सोबत आपण ऍसिडची रिएक्शन केली ऍसिड हा फिनाइकोल सोबत ऍड केला ऍसिड इज रिएक्ट विथ द फिनाइकोल व्हाटएवर फॉर्मेशन ऑफ ketone types of the product. These types of the conversion phenol to ketone, phenol to carbonyl compound, vicinal diol to carbonyl compound. इस टाइप्स के रिएक्शन को फिनाइकोल रीअरेंजमेंट कहते हैं इस रिएक्शन को. So this is one of the part of ये जो पार्ट है यहाँ से यहाँ तक. This is the part from this is the reaction of the carbonyl compound. Particular reaction what a formation of the diol. It is nothing but phenol. Formation of the phenol. This diol is what a vicinal diol और vicinal diol को कहते हैं phenol. This particular types of the reactor. ये जो प्रोडक्ट फॉर्मेशन हुआ यहाँ पे फिनाइकोल है. जर हा फिनाइकोल आपण रिएक्टंट म्हणून ऍसिड सोबत जर रिएक्ट केला कीटोन तयार होतो मग फिनाइकोल पासून फिनाकोलन तयार झाला. या रिएक्शनला फिनाकोलन रिअरेंजमेंट म्हणतात. कुठली फक्त एवढीच हीच म्हणतोय मी फक्त एवढीच रिएक्शनचा विचार चालू आहे या रिएक्शनचा नाही. याच रिएक्शनला फिनाकोल आणि फिनाकोलन रिअरेंजमेंट असे म्हणतात. बट आवर एम इन दिस लेक्चर सो वी वांट टू द रिएक्शन ऑफ कार्बोनिल कंपाउंड विथ मैग्नीशियम मेटल formation of the 5-member transition state. Addition of diluted hydrochloric acid is nothing but hydrolysis in acidic condition. Formation of the phenol. Formation of what? Phenol. यहाँ पे कौन सा formation हुआ? Phenol. It is nothing but what a vicinal diol.